Hi everyone, Tom Moffett here. Welcome to BUS 115, Personal Finance. I'll be your instructor for the class. During the next 8 weeks, we're going to be talking about fundamental concepts and components of managing your personal finances. For example, we'll be talking about creating a personal balance sheet and a cash flow statement. We'll cover budgeting and taxes, credit, insurance. We'll do a little bit with investing as well as estate planning. You'll complete a personal financial plan which will help you put these topics into practice. I encourage you to spend some time getting familiar with the navigation tabs on the left side of the screen. For example, when you first log in, the first screen you'll see is announcements. Well, I make lots of announcements throughout the course, so you're going to want to be sure to check on a regular basis, at least 3 to 4 times a week. Another area you're going to be interested in is the syllabus. So let's go over here and open up the syllabus tab. In here you will find the course schedule, and then further down on the screen will be the syllabus. Let's take a look at the syllabus for just a second. In here you'll have some areas that explain the course, but one area is the course objectives and the course rationale. I like to draw your attention to the course rationale because it asks the question, why should you want to study personal finance? Well, as a consumer in this economy at least, the foundation of economic success depends on your ability to budget and to have a financial plan that includes things like credit and insurance, tax planning, investments, retirement planning. Further down, you'll see the course objectives. We will cover each of these objectives during the next 8 weeks. And of course, people are most interested in the grading scale. The course is based on 1,000 points. So 90, 80, 70, 60 is the typical breakdown. We have discussions, we have connect assignments, we'll have some chapter quizzes, the midterm, and then your personal financial plan and the comprehensive final. Here's some information about the personal financial plan. You'll want to pay special attention to that. Lots of notes on there about what the expectations are for the first personal financial plan. Let's go back up to the course schedule. And you'll see that here that the course schedule is broken down by modules, very easy to follow. It's based on an 8-week calendar, which means that we will be completing probably 2 chapters every week. Both the course syllabus and the schedule are printable if you'd like to print copies for yourself. Another area that you want to look at is the modules tab. At the top, you'll notice I have a note here about online office hours. I'd be glad to meet you online using a teleconferencing tool that we use, and then we can talk and share files if that's helpful. This next folder down is Getting Started. Getting Started gives you instructions for registering for Connect and how to complete the Connect assignments and the quizzes. The next area down is the personal financial plan, and there's some specific information about each section of the first personal financial plan in this folder. Look at the modules, Module 1, and there's 8 of those, by the way, and they're all basically structured the same way. You'll have an overview for each chapter. There will be discussion topics, reading assignments, links. Down here further, you'll see links to the Connect modules and the quizzes. Each of the Connect modules, by the way, are structured to take about 30 minutes to complete. And you can do those as many times as you like until you get the maximum points allowed. And usually the maximum points is 20. There's other resources in here that you might find helpful. There's some videos some PowerPoints, some additional materials for each of the chapters. I think you will find that the narrated PowerPoints for each of the chapters will be especially helpful for completing your personal financial plan. Now, down at the bottom of each of the modules is a checklist for all the assignments that are due in that module. It also has the due dates and the points applied. You'll notice that each of the discussions, the initial posts, are going to be due on a Monday or Tuesday rather, and then the replies are going to be due on a Friday, as well as the other assignments for that chapter or for that module are going to be due on a Friday. We're going to have 2 exams for the semester. One is going to be a midterm exam, and then at the end of the semester we'll have a comprehensive final. I think that's enough to get us started. I look forward to working with you, and please let me know at any time if you have questions about any parts of the course, any of the assignments, and I will see you online.